Project Life employs a data-driven approach to sustainable neighborhood redevelopment. We successfully improved redevelopment decision-making using products within a digital twin. The products, developed by multiple companies, can be accessed through a 3D interface. Amersfoort is a key partner, contributing to the Leendert neighborhood. Aerovision brings all the elements together and Future City handles the communication. Behind the scenes, a glimpse into the project. Over the past period, all project partners have been working on the development of an integrated tool. By using drone data and AI analysis, we comprehensively understand the neighborhood through layering multiple maps. Existing public and Amersfoort managed data were merged with new generated information. NEO provides tree-related data and information regarding greenery and surface paving. This data is crucial for modeling factors such as heat stress, noise pollution, and health effects. The environmental benefits can be assessed using the RIVM module and can be seamlessly integrated into the 3D City Planner. We are currently examining a low-detail representation, but with a single click, we can switch to a high-detail view. This data has been collected by GeoMat using a scanning vehicle and drones. Thanks to Hydrologic's contributions, we can also model waterlogging. What can you do with it? Combining all this data provides a better understanding of the spatial challenges that many cities face. As a municipality, you can utilize this tool to maintain internal oversight and swiftly calculate scenarios. This data is crucial for modeling factors such as heat stress, noise pollution, and health effects. It also enables you to inform and engage residents more effectively.